In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to permanently delete archived projects. We'll walk through this process step by step so you can clean up your workspace and remove projects you no longer need. Just keep in mind, once a project is permanently deleted, you won't be able to restore it. So only do this for projects you're absolutely sure you're finished with. Let's start on your main dashboard. When you first open your workspace, you'll usually land on the area that shows your recent or active projects. From here, look for the option that takes you to your archived projects. This is often labeled as Archive or Archived and is typically found in a side menu or as a tab near the top of the projects view. Go ahead and click on Archive. The Archive section is where your older or inactive projects live. These aren't gone yet, they're just tucked away so your main dashboard stays clean. Think of this as a staging area before permanent deletion. Take a moment here to scan through the list and locate the specific project you want to remove. It's worth double checking the name and any thumbnails to make sure you've selected the right one. Once you've identified the correct archive project, look for the delete option associated with it. This might appear as a trash can icon, a delete label, or a menu you can open on that project's card. Click on delete for that specific archived project. At this point, the platform wants to make sure you really mean it, so you'll see a confirmation prompt. This is a safeguard to prevent accidental deletions. The message will typically remind you that this action is permanent and can't be undone. Pause for a second and confirm that this is indeed the project you no longer need, and that you don't have any important files, assets, or references left inside it. If you're absolutely certain, go ahead and click on Delete Project in the confirmation window. This final click is what actually removes the project from your archive and from your account. After this, the project will no longer appear in your archived list or your dashboard, and you won't be able to recover it. That's all you need to do. By going to your dashboard, opening the archive section, clicking delete on the project, and then confirming with delete project, you can permanently remove any archive project